Hi, hello, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be hauling some new products I picked up from ShopMissA. I am super excited to show y'all. If you are new here and you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Violet and I'm the other half of Two Sisters in Makeup, where I like to focus on makeup. I'm just another makeup YouTube channel, pretty much. But you know, I like to incorporate easy to follow tutorials for just focusing on the eyes. Occasionally I like to review. I do love my hauls, and I do love trying new makeup every so often, and as well as trying to go back into my current stash and trying to, you know, interest myself in some of these products and not always buy new things, you know how it goes. So if that sounds interesting, then definitely keep on watching. So this order is actually not that big. I focused on some of like the main items that I really wanted, focusing more so on like the newer products, because they have been releasing some very good new things lately that really have been catching my eye. And I was like, you know what, $1 shipping, it's the time. I really wasn't going to, but you know how it goes, you just end up purchasing it. So I have the basket in front of me. I have tried some of these products and it's what's on my face. A video coming trying some of this makeup will be uploaded here soon. First thing out of the basket, or out of the haul, are these OKI official key items toothpaste tube squeezers. So they are meant to squeeze out all of the toothpaste out of your tube, and I love these. These things are so good. They really squeeze out like every little bit of your toothpaste, so you're not wasting and you're not like having to open up the bottle and like scoop it out and then like dry out. So you know the deal. But these are actually going to be used for hair color tubes, because Brandy has been enjoying coloring her hair lately, and so the tubes are pretty much the same sort of shape and sort of way that they're made. It's like a toothpaste, and so it's going to be nice to fit the toothpaste in here, and then you rotate this little knob, and it's supposed to start bringing the bottom of the tube and then pushing it down, so that way you're squeezing all of the product upward, and you have like this little like tail here at the bottom. Next item is actually something new to me. I've actually been seeing this hauled quite frequently by Nikki Murphy here on YouTube, and I will link her channel in the description box. But that's how I found out about the sale, and I watch her best of ShopMissA, worst of ShopMissA, her trying new ShopMissA products, because she's always getting all of the new stuff, and so I'm always jealous, and I'm like, I need to watch her videos, I need to catch up on what's new, I need to see what I may be interested in, so I will link her channel. But she often gets the OKI official key items, again another one, and it's the Floral Reed Diffuser. I got the scent Sweet Orchid, so it comes in this like long rectangular box, super pretty. I love the colors, they're very fall, very me, and I can't wait for fall. On the side it says why you will love it. It's safe, long-lasting, refillable, relaxing, and it's free of flame, parabens, and phthalates. So the Sweet Orchid scent is a floral overtones with light gardenia and freesia scent. I know every single person's like, this is how you say it. I'm sorry, I didn't look up beforehand how to say it, but it's supposed to last up to 60 days and includes a vase, 2 floral reeds, and 4 reed sticks. So it's designed to restore, revitalize, and relieve stress after a long day. Our essential oil-based fragrant oil features decorative sticks that add aesthetic to any space while diffusing long-lasting freshness. I pretty much mainly got this, I mean, kind of for the scent, but also because I want something cute here on my vanity, something more spruceful, and like something it needed, like not really greenery, but I know I also need greenery here, but like just something cute and fun. So in here it's like 4 little compartments. So we have a little like twine ball. This was a bunch of little sticks, but I have like a little floral foam decoration on a little wooden dowel, another foam flower on a little dowel, and then there's these little sticks. I think these are what they're calling the reed sticks, because there is 4 of them. Based on the package it says 4, so I'm going to take a good educated guess and say that's what that is. Here's the reed diffuser, or not the reed diffuser, yes, the floral reed diffuser. Wow, this is almost like a perfume bottle. It's glass. That is really nice. Like, that is high quality. Holy moly. So that is really pretty. Don't know if I can really smell anything now, or how this exactly works. I got lipstick on this. Oops, sorry. So I don't know if like how this exactly is supposed to become. I'm going to do this off camera, try and do a little video. Lately, my hauls have either included jewelry or lashes. Over the past couple years, they've pretty much always included lashes. I always had to buy some pair or 2 or 3 or more, and now it's earrings. So what does that tell you? There's earrings in this haul. So these were so cute. I could not pass them up. I saw these little checkered heart earrings. They're a little bit smaller than I thought, but I mean, they're still cute. They'll do. I'm not going to try them on because I always like to sanitize these because I don't know where they've been or who they've been touched by. So that needs to get clean before they go in my ears. And then I picked up these pair, and that's another like heart checkered pair. So I think these are adorable. These are going to be fun to spruce up any little outfit. Next two are the same thing, but just like different variations. That's the word I was looking for. So they came out with the travel brush set and case. So they have a marble set, which looks like this, and then they have just a regular black. The reason I got these, let me explain. One day I hope to vacation somewhere. I've not been out of where I'm at for a while. I need a vacation. I need the beach. That's where I usually go. So I was like, well, if I ever plan on vacationing, I have these. And I also wanted to try these out and give them a go in a video in the future, and to see if I really took these, either or these set cases, and try to do an eye look with them. Can I actually accomplish that with what's given in these sets? So that's also an idea that I had. Hopefully it sounds good. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the marble one first. So they don't have like what the set includes. It just has the marble case. It says AOA. It looks very sleek, clean. It looks very pretty. On the actual packaging, you're going to have to either keep it or like tape it to the actual, this is plastic by the way, but little bottle they have. So you open it up and it has the top piece, the bottom piece, and then your little brush set. So inside there is 5 brushes, but my guess is this one, I believe, is the angled blending brush because no other brush says that. And they also have, they're just like basic little, they're very like thin looking handles, and then they just have the flat bottom, marble, and then just a pretty like almost rose goldy little metal detail up here. The next one, this one, it's the only one like it. So this one says eyeliner brush, which go figure because it's the thinnest and it slants. This one I believe is what they're calling a blending brush. Okay, so I believe this one is called an eyeshadow brush. This last one here is what they're calling a concealer brush. And I didn't try these in the video or in like this video because I need to wash them first. You guys, like, if you are not washing your brushes before using them, please start doing that. Like, you don't know where they've been, you don't know how long they've been sitting in a warehouse, you don't know who's been touching them, you don't know, like, you could catch some sort of infection, especially around the eyes. Like, that is just, clean your brushes before you use them. And then this is the black set, sleek black packaging, same plastic, and it says AOA at the bottom in white lettering. You have the same little top, bottom, your 5 brushes, and with these brushes, you have the same style. They're all black, and then they have the same like thin handles, except these at the bottom have a more rounded edge. I'm assuming this one is what they're calling a large blending brush. Okay, this one is an eyeliner brush, because we figured that one out last time. I believe is what they're calling an eyeshadow brush. This one is what they're calling a blending brush, which that's really tiny to blend. I believe this one's called concealer, because I don't think we've found what that one is. Yeah, I believe that was concealer. Alright, so yeah, so that is all of them. Next product is they recently, well, not recently, but as of filming this, just yesterday they released a new foundation. So this one's like their second newest release, and it's a CC cream or a color correcting one. And I used that on my face today, like I said in the beginning. Pretty much some of this makeup I've already used because I was so excited to give it a go. But I picked up the shade Light. But yeah, so you'll hear my thoughts on this in a video, so stay tuned for that. Next product, don't know why I grabbed another one of these when I have probably like 5 others of these, and I don't go through them that often. I bought another I bought another eyebrow brush. Not eyeshadow, eyebrow brush. This one is their new Easy Brow Styler, and this one is part of the Pawpaw collection, so it has a paddle brush at the top, which is a different one. I've never seen that, or at least I've never used an eyeshadow brush that has that. And then it has the triangular shape to the other side for the actually filling in the brows. I don't know if I mentioned I picked up medium brown, but I also tried this one, and you'll see that in the future video. Next product is part of a new sort of like, not line, but it's like, I guess, a new line within the AOA Studio brand, which is, if you haven't known, if I didn't tell you by now, like almost probably, I don't know how long we're into the video. AOA Studio is ShopMissA's personal in-house brand. It's called the Venetian Romance, and it's their creamy bronzer. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It is a glass freaking pot. For $1, what, I think it was $1.88, $1.55. That's it. It still blows my mind like how this even comes about, but it's non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, and I picked up this shade called Venice. So this is what it looks like. I will insert a swatch here. Excuse the swatch and excuse the... I dropped the paper. It looks muddy. I was trying to, you know, hurry and blend it out, but I left it on my arm a little too long, so I think that that's why it looks a little bit more muddier, but it doesn't in person. And the next two products are also part of that same Venetian Romance line, and they are creamy blushes. So blushes have the purple tops. Isn't that like a little logo? So cute, so darling. Oh my god, it's just awesome. And then the bronzers have the blue cap. So these are also non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. I picked up two different shades. Obviously, why would I pick up the same shades? The first one is called Cake, and it looks like this one. It's so pretty. It's almost like a reddish, pinky kind of color. And the second one is called Duchess, which is a more like mauve-y purple. And you will see here in the swatches. Also, too, sorry for some of these swatches looking muddy or crazy or really dark. And the last products, yes, we're at the end, I know already, but I'm excited to show. So these came out, I want to say probably last year. They're not really like new, but they're new to me. I was initially going to order just 2 out of the 4 shades that they were offering, but Brandy saw them and she was like, I like these 2. So I like 2 completely different ones. She liked the last 2. So we just ordered the bundle. It was just a no-brainer. But I think these are absolutely cute. The way that they're packaged, they can confuse some people if, you know, you're not a makeup user and you just kind of like look at someone's desk and you're like, oh, that's cute. Let me put it as my nails. Because it looks like a nail polish. Like, it's cute packaging. I think it's just fun. It's different than your typical, like, in a little container, square container, or in, like, a little pot like this. Like, you know, it's something different and fun. These are called the Plush Blush Gel Liquid Blushes. Whew, what a name. These are part of the Paw Paw line, hence the little kitty cat on there. So all 4 shades are right here. And again, these, I have a swatch of them just as is, and then I blended them out, and then I compared them to their other cream blushes that they offer. It's the little $1 ones. They're in a little square. So I compared them to these, and they're the Hush Cream sheer blushes that they offer. These are for $1. These, I believe, are $1.55. So I wanted to see if some of these shades kind of repeated within one of their existing lines. But for the most part, I mean, one shade, this one I think kind of looks similar to another one, and then this one was like a little bit darker version of one. So the order that I swatched them from top to bottom, towards the top part of my arm, so like this part of my arm, I did an alphabetical order. So we have Alto here, which is a like red, another like red looking color. So it has the like just standardized nail polish looking applicator, which is fun, and I actually used one of these on my face too. The next one is Cumulus, which is a cute pink color. I think this is adorable. And then we have Nimbo, which is a more of a terracotta sort of dark orange color. And the last color is Stratus, and it looks intense. I'm scared to use this one, but I know that sheared out it won't look as crazy, but it's more of like a vampy, like purple sort of color. That is everything in this haul. Sorry for it being kind of short, kind of like I've already seen that stuff from other people. I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you picked up anything from ShopMissA recently that you've been really enjoying, or have you not tried ShopMissA? Why or why not? Just anything and everything. Let's have a conversation about them in the comments down below, and I would love to see you there. As always, have an awesome rest of your day and or week, and I will see you as always in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.
Those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show